Tempus's What If modeling and scenario planning tool helps you visualize the impact of changes to your resources, your projects, and your financials in real time without impacting your live data. With Tempus What If, you can conduct your annual planning exercise by prioritizing different projects and sequencing the work based on your resources availability. And you can also model the changes to your projects and your resources based on changing priorities and mid-year changes. In today's video, we are going to cover how to model different financial changes within your Tempus What If model. So first and foremost, when you create the model, you do need to determine which financial categories are going to be available in the model. Once you do that, when you go to your model and you click financials, you are going to have a Gantt view of all projects with their associated financials. So the green bar up top here is telling you that there is a financial associated with this project. Now, today we're going to focus on Malibu Phase 11, just because that one does have some financials associated with it. And we can see here what the different categories are for those and the financial type. Categories and types are going to be configurable within your admin settings. So if you have questions about that, make sure to talk with your Tempus admin. Now, different than your project and resource simulations, your financials bottom grid is going to be reflective of those different financials. So within here, we do have a few options available to us. First and foremost, we can see a total column as associated with each project, or I'm sorry, a total row. We can then turn on a total column as well. And we can also include labor costs. These options are just dependent on your needs when you are modeling. Additionally, we have two views in the grid. So the first is going to be the traditional grid of just the financials associated with the project, and then also a delta view, which is going to show you the changes that are happening while you're making changes within your model. So for now, we're going to stick in our grid. Again, we're going to focus on Malibu Phase 11. And within here, I am going to change start and end dates of my projects. And as you can see here, that extended the duration of my financials. So what that means is the financials are not necessarily dependent on the project start and end dates. But when you have financials that are interlaced with the project, this is going to extend that end date as well. Additionally, if I wanted to see what that impact is in my grid here, I would be able to see, okay, well, when I shift that project, what are now the costs and how are they moving? Additionally, I can look at the delta view and say, all right, show me the before and the after. Is this acceptable to me? Is this something that I want? The delta view here, you're going to notice, is not going to show you red or green. That is because this could be good for you. This could be bad for you. For another organization, this could be a positive change or a negative change. And that's something that's up to you to decide. So when you are modeling your financials, it's important to remember, one, the delta view is going to show you the before and after, which is a critical piece in analyzing your project financials. And two, as you model out your financials, the data below is going to change. So that is going to be reflective of the questions that you are asking yourself. Thank you for joining us for today's video. Make sure to check out the Tempus University playlist for more information on Tempus models and other functionality within Tempus.